So you're ready to have your content pay you, you're tired of waiting on brands. I'm going to show you in this video that with just your content and Linktree, you can actually create an online business where you don't need to spend a lot of money. You can spend a little bit of money. One of them has got a little bit of money that you need to spend, but on the whole, you can literally start this business completely for free. So let's get into it. Just a brief reminder to look out for the code. Each video has got a code, and the people who punch in the code in the comments below in the correct order and all of that stuff, those are the people who stand a chance to win the business consultation 1 hour with me. We've had 2 winners already who have still not reached out. Please do that. Yes, so we're going to get into it. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a link tree and how to put your links up on Linktree, and then how you're going to share that one Linktree link across your social media platforms so that you can start making money from your content from day one. Okay, no more waiting for brand deals. Okay, so this is the page that you're going to land on, which is login or sign up for free. We're going with sign up for free. And it's pretty much like any other sign up that, they all pretty much have the same sign up. You can use an email address, but your own business email address and use that to sign in, or you can go and use a Google address and you can use any of your Google accounts. I don't know which one I haven't used, so let's go with this one. I don't think I've used it for Linktree. Choose your Linktree username. Let's call it Golden still, just to keep things SA. There we go, Golden SA, continue. Brings us here. What are you? Are you creator, business, personal? We are trying to grow a business. So you're going to either go with business or creator. So for the purpose of this, we're trying to grow business with, we're trying to grow a business through our content. So you are essentially a business owner. So we're going to go with business and continue. You could also go with creator if that's what you want, and then you choose the option that best applies to you. What kind of business category are you in? Beauty, retail, and e-commerce, restaurant, or personal? Let's go with other because none of those. Share a bit more about your business. And then you can skip this. This is where you've got Pro, you get to use Pro for 7 days. That's up to you. You can either use it for 7 days and decide if you're going to go on to pay for Linktree, which I think it says it's $9 per month. But you can use it for free. You don't actually have to do the Pro situation. You can use it for free. So you see, it's going to bring you to all of these things here. Starter, $4, blah, blah, blah. And then you're going to get confused. Don't get confused. Just scroll all the way down and continue to get started for free. And just go with that. Because they're going to try and trick you. These are new, hey? I didn't have this when I was putting up my Linktree. It didn't start off like this. But there we go. It basically walks you through creating your template. So let's go with this. And basically it starts you off with, so which platforms are you on? You're going to pick the platforms that you're on. The problem is I don't know if it's going to allow me to do, so let me just go with Facebook. And then, oh, actually, let me not, let me skip. But you can do this. You can pick which platforms you're on when you're starting your Linktree account. I don't want to put any platforms because I've already got a Linktree account. This one is my dummy. We're doing this for the demo. So I'm going to skip this part. And I'm going to skip this part as well. But basically, you're adding your URLs, the places that you exist online as well. These will obviously show up on your link tree situation. And then you're going to put a bio here. So just letting people know what you do. So Gold Dinner SA is a women's only dinner, women's only dinner and networking club. Something like that. And then we continue. And there, now you've got your link tree. Yay, now continue building this link tree. So we're going to continue because now we're going to add the links, right? So I'm going to show you how to add a link. And it's how you're going to add any links that you're trying to promote or you're getting on going forward. So this is the one link that you're going to share. You see, your link tree is live, link tree dinner essay, copy the link tree URL. So this is going to be the link that you share across your socials. This is the one link that's going to get people here where they see all the other links that you have. So let's say now you've decided that, you know what, you're going to sell my ebook. You're going to sell NFT, A Lifeless Womb, and so you're going to put your link over here. So we're going to use my my Gumroad link, because when you come and you sign up to be an affiliate on my page, you'll get us a special link. Okay, so you'll get a special link and then you'll copy that link. So I'm going to copy this link because this is the link that helps people to come onto here and help me sell my book. So then we're going to copy that link there, add the link. Okay. Add the link. And then you see it over here. It says Gumroad. You can edit that and call it the book. And then you can also go here and put a picture so that it's not the generic Gumroad picture. So you can put a picture of, I don't know what I'm going to put a picture of. Let's see. Crop it. And then, so now you've got a little. And then obviously and then the For a Kid, right? I just want to quickly go into For a Kid. So For a Kid affiliate program. So we can't add the For a Kid affiliate link it because you first need to actually sign up. And I think they charge 100 Rand to 150, but there you earn up to 20% with them. So there you go. You join now. You put in all your details, everything, and this is what happens. But you put in all your details on the site, so they want you to. You see, the website doesn't have a star, so you don't have to have a website, but you do need to have a Facebook. It seems a Facebook page. Where's the? You do need to have a Facebook business page. And then you can have your TikTok and all the other ones. And then you create an account. And I think you have to then wait for them to approve. And they've got a small fee that you need to pay. And then you will get a link. Once you've got a link, you can come back and all you have to do is go up to the top where it says add link. You click that, you you paste the link from where you paste the link from for a kid, and then it will also appear here like um like this one. So maybe we could quickly go back to my account so that I can show you when it's got multiple links. Actually, instead of jumping into my link tree, let's go onto my TikTok so that you can see the one link will open up into a whole lot of links, which then helps when you are creating an affiliate. You just need to label the links so that a person knows exactly where they are going when they land on your link page, because basically that's what a link tree is. It's just a web page with all the links that you need to different destinations that you want people to go to. Okay, so this one link leads you to all of these links. You see, so for instance, on my thing, here's the online affiliate program. So if you want to become an affiliate for my business, for my online business, you come here, you click this link. It's going to take you to a page where you can apply to be an affiliate, and then after you've applied, you're going to get a link. That's the link that you then put in your link tree, so that when you talk about the book or the membership or whatever, you tell people that click the link in my bio, and then you will have labeled it, right? So for instance, when I talk about people coming to be an affiliate, I'll let them know that the link is in my bio. It's the first link or something. The people who are looking to do a free YouTube course, it's the second link. So, but it's clearly labeled so that everyone knows as soon as you come on, you know exactly where you need to go. And it'll take you to the different links. So now you can see how this works with if you become an affiliate for multiple businesses, you just label your products, these links will all represent the different products that you are an affiliate for. It does help to stay somewhat in the region of the same kind of niche. But I mean, if you can pull it off, I don't think it's really important, because a person will come to you based on what they want, right? And so you'll have these links ready for them to go. And then they click, and when they purchase, you make money through your commission then. That link will help you make money, you get a commission, and that's all you need. Content and a link tree account, and you don't need a website. You can belong to multiple affiliate programs. Do check with each affiliate what their rules are, but generally you can belong to multiple ones at the same time. I do know that you probably don't want to promote competitors, because it's not going to make sense. That's going to confuse your own audience. So, yeah. So I hope this is helpful for you, but that's basically how you create it. If I've lost you anywhere on the journey, just let me know in the comments and we will rectify that. So again, if you do want to become an affiliate for the book, you're going to click here. It's going to take you right here. And then you will talk about how do you intend to promote promote the book or whatever, and then submit your affiliate request. So it's a very short message. See, it's a quick sign up. And then we're good to go. All right. And then you do need to subscribe, because then it'll give you the option to fill out your details and all of that stuff. But that's basically it. You're going to fill this out, you're going to get approved, and then you'll get your special link, and then you can go add that special link to your Linktree account, and then you're going to put the Linktree link on your social accounts. And then when you talk about the book, you can be like, click the link in my bio if you want to purchase the book. And then people are going to click the link in the bio, and then it's going to land them onto the book page, which is an ebook. So there's no delivery, there's no waiting. And once they buy through your link, then you make a 50% commission. And it's a similar idea with for a kid. So you're going to talk about toys that you love, or you're going to market whatever toys that they have, and you'll tell them if they want to buy any of the things that you talk about, they should click the link that corresponds to the product that they want to buy. I do hope this is clear enough. I'm pretty sure you guys get it now. Um, but this is how you do it if you don't want to keep waiting for brands and while you're still finding your feet online. This is the best way to practice talking about other people's products, which is what you'd be doing with a brand deal anyway, right? So it's a good way to practice while getting paid. Saying don't reach out to brands. I'm saying while you wait, and also while you don't really know what kind of business you want to start online, but you know you want to make some money online, this can be your testing ground. These like affiliate links, finding affiliate links that align with the kind of content that you make. This one is obviously focused around mom content, mom and child content, right? So if you're basically the mom who's recommending things to other moms for their children, this is a beautiful niche. If you do it in a way where you've got a great community of moms around you, it's a great niche to be in. And obviously, please only, especially because there are babies involved, only recommend things that are trusted, things that have been tested, because babies are in the mix. That's a very sacred space. Yeah, so let me know if there's anything else you need clarity on. But to find affiliate programs that maybe resonate a little more with you, you just simply go into Google. If you think of a of a brand that you would like to be an affiliate for, you go into Google, you type in the brand and type in affiliate program to see if affiliate program for that company shows up. A lot of them have affiliate programs. It's just the requirements will obviously vary from brand or company to company, but you can look into them. You could also speak to small businesses that are maybe willing to create an affiliate program. Maybe they've never thought about, oh, this is another way they could increase their bottom line, their sales, if they work with agents who can help them bring in more clients into their brand and all of that stuff. We found all of this helpful, and until next time, I do wish you the courage to live the life of your dreams. Bye, mamas.